Hey there, you doers. Today I want to talk about something different. I know you doers like to get things done, but I think one thing that you got to think about is when you're getting things done, are you working on the right things? And so there's something out there called lean. It's often used in manufacturing, and I have a spin on it, which I'm not sure exactly is the lean model. But what I look at things is I look at things as having a task as having three types of work in it. One is value added work that where it adds value to the end result. Really, like if you had a customer, what do they care about? They care about that you build, you repair their sink and the sink works. That's all they care about. They don't care that you have to order product. They don't care that you have to do all these other things in order to get the sink to work. All they care about is what it takes to fix the sink. So that's called value add. What truly adds value to whatever task you're doing or you're trying to get done. So for example, if you're fixing your car light, being able to replace the bulb is the value added phase of it. Having to go buy the bulb is not value add. So the next part of any type of work is necessary but non-value add. So it's where you, for example, have to go buy the light bulb, right? And so with those things, you want to try to minimize the time and cost it takes to do that. So can you go to the closest place? Can you figure out a better way to get the bulb? So if you're filming videos, for example, the content of the video that you're specifically talking about and delivering the video is the value add. But if you make mistakes and have to edit the video, that may be necessary work, but it's non-value add. So how can you minimize the time it takes for you to do the video? Because the viewer doesn't care you had to edit the video. All they care about is your message. So, for example, when you're editing video, when I used to do a lot of videos when I was in communications, what I learned was when I'm filming the video, if the person makes a mistake, yes, I could edit it out, but sometimes that took a while because you had to get the right timing of the correction of the editing, and sometimes that literally took a lot of time. And what I found was just asking the person to repeat the phrase or something like that was far more easier in getting it done. So it helped me decrease the non-value added work, necessary work but non-value add. And the last area when you're working on something is pure waste. What is totally unnecessary, not needed to be done, doesn't add to the end value at all, and is just pointless. So what example is waste? Waste could be something like talking about something in your video that has nothing to do with the video. It could be when you're cooking cooking a recipe. It could be piling up the dishes in a certain order because that's how it was done before. There could have been a reason it was done that way before, but now it purely adds no value, and also it's not necessary. So just wanted to talk to you about that. So as a YouTuber and you're getting things done, and it takes time and resources, think about what steps you're taking that truly add value, what steps that you take are necessary but don't really add value, and ones that are purely waste. And you'll find out that the amount of time you take, the pure value steps are probably minimal, and the wasteful steps may be more than you think. So eliminate the waste, stop doing the waste, minimize the time and dollars you spend on the non-value add but necessary steps, and focus on the value added steps. All right, you doers, let's get things done. Like and subscribe, and I look forward to bringing you some more great videos and helping you just get things done.